Hey guys, we got the whole Scrub Daddy family. OMG, I'm so excited. I was waiting for this package for a while. So they didn't have any inventory, so they included a lemon fresh Scrub Daddy and they apologized. So this is what I love about Scrub Daddy. Scrub Daddy has very good customer service. They have good marketing. I love them. And I love their sponges. If you guys never tried Scrub Daddy, you guys should, because these sponges are odor free up to 8 weeks, so they won't stink, so that's perfect. So this is everything that came with the all-star sponge kit, and it literally comes with so many, guys. Like, after you use like the Scrub Daddy and the Scrub Mommy and then you run out, you're gonna need to go to the store and get another one. So this is just perfect. It comes with everything, so you guys could try some other products: the Eraser Daddy, the Sponge Caddy, the Scour Daddy, everything. Literally, like, again, I really love these sponges. These are the preferred sponges because they do not stink, and you guys know that when those sponges start to stink, nobody wants to wash the dishes. So these are perfect, and they have a smiley face, so it makes washing the dishes look more fun. So guys, so the Scrub Mommy and the Scrub Daddy individually, they cost $3.99, so that's the price of them. But if you guys get everything right here, it's gonna be $39.99, and that's the sponge kit that they have right now. And I highly recommend getting it because it's a good deal. Plus you get almost all the products, and you get different products, and this is great. You even get a sponge caddy where you could throw in your sponge. So yeah guys, these Scrub Daddies, they change texture when you run them under warm water. So during the warm water they turn softer, and then the cold water they get more firm. So that's very convenient when you guys are washing your dishes or scrubbing stuff. So I really love these sponges, and they're dishwasher safe, they're scratch free, and they're good for deep cleaning. And I just love these sponges so much, guys. So if you guys are interested in the sponge kit, make sure that you guys order it. And if you guys have never tried Scrub Daddy, make sure that you guys try it, because I really like their sponges. I literally love them so much, and I always get excited when I go to the store and I get a sponge from them. And yeah, make sure that you guys try them if you guys haven't, and click the orange card to order the sponge kit. And yeah.